Welcome back, financial enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the financial world to dissect the Archer-Daniels-Midland Company. If you're ready to uncover the secrets behind the numbers, grab your popcorn because this is going to be a wild ride. Archer-Daniels-Midland has been on the financial roller coaster, with a price-to-earnings ratio or P/E ratio of 7.25 in the trailing 12 months, a bit lower than the 5-year average of 12.56. What does this mean for investors? Peering into the crystal ball, the forward-looking PR stands at 8.73. Are there clear skies ahead for ADM investors? The price/earnings-to-growth ratio is at 3.30, suggesting a potential lack of growth in the future. Remember that a value around 1 is considered good to investors. ADM is flexing its financial muscles with a return on equity of 16% and a return on assets of 6.94%. These numbers indicate how efficiently Archer-Daniels-Midland uses his shareholders' equity and company assets to generate earnings. Speaking about earnings, the earnings per share or EPS sits comfortably at 7.18. Will ADM continue to grow its earnings at the predicted rate of 2.2% over the next 5 years? I think that this value is not guaranteed in the future like in other companies like Microsoft. ADM is rewarding its investors with a sweet dividend yield of 3.43%. But hold on tight, because we're about to unveil a decade-long dividend growth story. Over the last 10 years it has increased 9% annually, and actually is around 20% above the 5-year average yield. Archer-Daniels-Midland is stranger to healthy profit margins, boasting a 3.85% operating margin and a 4.05% profit margin. These figures speak volumes about the company's efficiency and profitability. Continuing with the financial health, ADM seems to be under control, with a debt-equity ratio of 0.38 and a long-term debt-equity ratio of 0.36. The revenue has been on a positive trajectory since 2020, but earnings haven't seen the same enthusiasm since it has been flat over the last 8 years. How is this reflected in ADM's market performance compared to VO? Unsurprisingly, this lack of growth in earnings and company margin has translated to a lower total return than VO during the last 5 years. The market has been a roller coaster lately, and ADM is no exception with an average price return of -38.69% over the last 52 weeks. Are we in for a rebound, or is there more turbulence ahead? ADM is no small fry, boasting a market cap of $27.76 billion. Is to be mentioned that Archer-Daniels-Midland is the major company in farm products industry. Analysts are predicting a stock price of $69.54 in the next 12 months, signaling a 33.65% upside. However, our financial detective here has a different take, suggesting a fair value of $58.51. Are analysts overly optimistic? Or is there a hidden gem waiting to be uncovered? Both analysts suggest a possible undervaluation. In the world of finance, every number tells a story. Archer-Daniels-Midland Company is no exception, with its ups, downs, and potential surprises. Remember, these numbers are just the tip of the iceberg, so do your due diligence and make informed investment decisions. If you enjoyed this financial expedition, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow investors. Until next time, happy investing!